Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Now I have tried about 8 times to do this video. Every time it's turned out wrong. So let me insert some footage here of what the wing looked like on the front panel. Right, so this is what we've got. You see the hole we blew there, and all around there. It looks absolutely crap, but we did have issues with the welder, so I'm just going to hopefully grind these little bits off here, and then that wing should come away and I can go and prep it and fill that hole in. Right, this is the problem I've got. Even though it's crap, it has, if you look on the back, it has penetrated, so I can't actually get it off without destroying it, I don't think. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure if I can actually get that off. Now, I don't know. That's what do you think? It does seem like it's got it in some place. Obviously, I need to do more, a lot more, but I don't know. I don't know if that will come off without being destroyed. Right, there we go, boys. Turns out I hadn't penetrated at all. Because I just went to go and move the fucking Mini and I pushed it and it fell off. So there you go, it hadn't penetrated. So back to plan 1 now. So that's exactly what happened. It looked like it had penetrated and it looked okay-ish, that I could just fill it with more weld and that would be good, but it fell off. So hey ho. So I've been trying to fill a hole on the wing, which is just over there, that's why I keep pointing over there, and it turns out I'm not very good at it. So what I've done is I've prepared a scrap piece of metal here that I'm just going to do some practice welding. I think what the stuff I've been welding, which is this stuff, is far too thick, so I'm sort of getting a false sense of security on stuff that's thicker, and thinking that I've got more time than I have. So that's causing me a problem, I think. So I've got a scrap piece of metal here that I'll flip the camera around, you can have a look at that. And I've also got this thing as well, which we're going to put behind and fill some holes, just so I can get a feel for using the torch and everything like that. So once I've turned you around, I'll tell you what settings I've got the welder on, and then we can, you know, hopefully we can adjust it and see how we get on. Right, you know when you forget to press record? Right, so let me go through all that again. It'll be first time for you. So I prepared a piece of metal there that we obviously used as the hole punch just to test it on. It's a boot repair panel, so it will give me a bit better idea of what metal I will be working with when I come to the car. I have cut a piece off the bar, just so I can put it behind, clamp it behind, and weld it, and hopefully that will give me some form of test when it comes to using the welder. So we're going to switch the welder on, and then we'll take it from there. Now currently settings on the welder are, let's have a look. So it's on minimum, it's on power number 1, and it's on a number 4 of a wire feed setting. So we'll put that on there and grab them. Not much I can do about the wind noise, guys. It is bloody windy here today. That's my shed doors going for it. Bloody horrible. I'll have to go check if my Puma's still there, because I tied the Puma. There we go. So we've got one there that we can get to. So let's see how that goes. Oh, we've got to turn the gas on. Never mind the gas off, gas on. getting. I left that one because I wanted to show you. Look at the holes in that, and I'm just blowing. That I really went to town on that one, and I just can't see why I'm blowing holes so quickly, especially with the settings on more or less the lowest it can be. It's just getting a bit frustrating, boys and girls. You know, I know Rome wasn't built in a day. I just thought this welding would be easier than what it is. You watch it on YouTube and you think, piece of piss that, but it's not, boys. It's hard graft. I just can't work it out. In fact, let me show you the settings on my welder, and then you can see for yourselves. So these are settings on my welder, and that is flicked up. Now I think that's min, innit? If it's flicked up. If it's flicked down, it goes to max. It's on 1 and it's on wire speed, just between 4 and 5. I'm just getting no time at all to weld. Maybe that is the case with this metal. I don't know, but it's starting to get a bit frustrating now, boys and girls. Right, so I've welded that hole up there. That looked like that before, so I did both sides. I'm fairly happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'll do this side. I'll clean this off here, both sides, and then I'll actually record that bit, see what it looks like.
Try to forget every face left behind. When love is by my side, I don't like believing, so I'm lonely and round I go. I'll keep on running and running to you. I need somebody for loving and loving and loving now. Till the end, if you love someone, we'll be in love anyway. Realize it's just a dream inside. Gotta hold and try to feel alright anyway. When I turn, you will turn it inside. I'm gonna get you, baby, baby. 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 I'm gonna get you, baby, baby.
Right, so what I've decided here is I've cut 2 pieces of metal, and I've got one of them. I don't even know what clamps they are, but they seem pretty good. Everybody seems to use them, so I'm going to tack weld across here, and then I can remove that hopefully, and then I should be able to do some like seam welding. Let's have a look.